Hello friends, this is V.P.Srikanth from SKTK, and today right in this video we are going to install Xposed installer for Android 8.0 and 8.1 devices. Without any further ado, let's get started. Description box and select the link given down below. First download the APK file, then go up and select SDK 26 for 8.2 and 27 for 8.1 devices. Now select your CPU ARM version. You can search in your web for your model. Mine is ARM64, and select the latest version of the zip file. Then download. I already downloaded it. After downloading it, now install the APK version and reboot your device into recovery mode. In recovery mode, tap on install and select the zip file and swipe to flash. Now your zip file will be successfully installed. When that is being completed, tap on reboot system. Now open the Xposed installer app and bypass this information. Now it says you comfortably install this one. Now on the installation process we are completed. Now see what Xposed installer gives us. Tap the 3-dot option bar and select downloads. Here you can search for various amount of mods for your phone and select one. My favorite one is Easter Extras. I don't know, I'll link it down. I just installed it. By this you can customize the Easter egg of Android version that you have. Now let's go to Jelly Bean time, because that was my favorite one. Now when selected, reboot your system. Your mod will be successfully installed. After restarting your device, now go to settings and about phone and tap your Android version. Now you got the Android KitKat or no Jelly Beans Easter egg. Thank you for watching guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tech related videos like this and hit the like button. Thank you.